Hello, everyone. So I know that the EnVision math link that the students are supposed to use that takes them to some of their independent work, it takes them to parts of their mini lesson. I know that link was not working for a lot of people, and not just in our class, but all throughout second grade. So I'm going to show you a few different ways that I was told by the teachers on my team that we could access this link as well. So one way is when you go through the playlist, there is now a new link here. So if the students click on this link, it'll take them to this page. They should be able to click here. And again, it should load for them today. It was not working for me, and I know it wasn't working for many others. If this method does not work, then another way you can try to access the link is to close out of the playlist. And you can go up to the top bar where it says Apps and Tools. If you click, then there will also be a tab on here that will lead you to EnVision. And again, if you click on this tile over here, it should take you in. If this method also does not work, another method you could use is to go back to that start page at start.hcps.org. And again, there will be a link that'll take you to the Realize EnVision page. And again, if you click that link, it should work. If these methods do not work, then what's been working for me is that you can copy the URL link and then I have this icon down here for my device that's known as Microsoft Edge. So that's just another browser. When I paste in there, it takes me to this screen. Now I'm not sure if their passwords will work, but I've been using my account for the screen and it's been taking me in. So again, by using a different browser, it takes me again back to this page. And then for me, this has been the only method that has been working. So then the students should be able to click on classes, and then that's where they will be able to see their assignments. So they can click on assignments. Now this was from today's lesson. So this was lesson 1.1. Tomorrow they will be looking for 1.2. But so again, these were just a few different methods that other teachers have told me, and this was the method that has been working for me today to log into EnVision.